If you run a successful WooCommerce store, you know how important it is to have a development partner that not only manages your website, but constantly improves it. Here at WooNinjas, we have 10 plus years of experience building Amazon-like marketplaces to B2B platforms. And we've mastered the art of scaling WooCommerce stores. Our maintenance plans go far beyond basic updates, and each plan includes custom development and design hours for constant improvement. Also, detailed documentation of your entire website. This way, any development team will know how to work on your website, and it'll make your site much easier to sell if you want to do that in the future. Also, you get priority support far beyond what WooCommerce will ever offer you. Another thing we provide that very few other companies provide is custom code monitoring, and this is especially important when there's any software updates. So unlike most other cookie cutter solutions for WooCommerce maintenance, we analyze your entire infrastructure and provide recommendations that both enhance performance and features. So do you think maintenance is just about updates? While other companies will maintain your site, we transform your site through strategic improvements and dedicated development hours every month. Are you ready to stop struggling with your WooCommerce store? Click below to explore our maintenance plans and discover how dedicated development hours can help scale and remove any worries about your WooCommerce site.